Hey guys, so huge airdrop opportunity from Plena Finance. This is a really big project and I don't know how I missed this because first of all, look at the insane investors, Consensus, Phantom, MoonPay. This is quite insane. Look at these angel investors, Trader, CZ, Ivan on Tech, Eric Cryptoman, Ash Crypto. These are huge influencers with big following, which means the token price will probably go really high. And look at the backed by the best investors. I mean, Consensus is the team that created MetaMask, so this is quite big. Cointelegraph. I think even Coinbase Ventures invested in this project. And many people are talking that we have still 3 days left to farm this airdrop. I haven't started. I haven't done any of the tasks for the airdrop, but I will probably do these today and the next 2 days because only 3 days are left to farm this. And my advice is not to fade this insane project. I think the airdrop will be quite good, although it will be only 2% of the total supply. But as you can see here, the Plena has 55,000 followers, which is not that much. There are projects with millions and hundreds of thousands of followers. So you can see the week 1, there are 62,000 basically people that did these tasks. Look at the week 4, only 14,000 participants. So don't fade this project. There are still 3 days that you can farm this airdrop. I will most definitely do these tasks. And you can see these are really easy quests on the Zilli website. All the links, by the way, are in my bio. So the first thing you want to do is download the Plena app on the Google Play or Apple App Store. And if you want to get a 15 Plena tokens after you sign up, you can use my referral code. The referral code is in the description below. So if you want the 15 Plena tokens before you even start doing the quests and the tasks, you will get the 15 Plena tokens after you do at least one transaction on the Plena application. So I would recommend you to do that if you want some free tokens as well. And after you've done that, after you have created your basically smart wallet on Plena Finance app, you can start doing these quests. There are 4 websites. One is guild.xyz. Then there are Zilli quests, galaxy.com. By the way, all the links are in my bio below in the description. So check all the links. And you can just do all the quests. You have 3 days to finish them. I will myself do all the quests after I'm done filming this video. I just wanted to share this insane opportunity. And if you want to see more opportunities like these, you should follow and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss on any upcoming alpha, press the subscribe button. Press the notification button so every time I upload, you get that notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this, which is basically 3 days you can do these tasks. So if you are early, if you are watching this video right now after I upload, you still have 3 days to finish these tasks and get that sweet and juicy airdrop. Because you see all the investors, these are huge names, these are insanely huge investors, and they raised around $10 million or more for this project. So that's quite good for the mobile application super app. And yeah, don't fade this opportunity. All the links are in the bio. Use my referral code for the free 15 Plena tokens after you sign up to the Plena Finance application. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.